Hey everyone, and welcome back to our weekly Traders Roadmap. My name is Angie, and in this video, we're going to speak about the main events of last week and the most important and interesting events for this week. We'll also take a look at the technical picture for Euro US dollar and GBP USD. My friends, please make sure that you are subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you don't miss important notifications and announcements. So, what happened last week? USCB consumer confidence was released at better than expected 101.8 above 89.2 forecast. US GDP quarter on quarter was released at slightly better than expected, but nevertheless horrifying negative 31.4%, which isn't surprising considering the situation with the coronavirus. United Kingdom GDP year on year also dropped by 21.5%. And U.S. non-farm payrolls came below forecast at 661,000. The forecast was for 850,000 jobs. Additionally, the world watched the first debate between U.S. presidential candidates Joe Biden and Donald Trump. The exchange was hectic to say the least. Not too long following the debate, Trump announced that him and the First Lady have been diagnosed with the coronavirus. This is really interesting because there's only 1 month left until the elections, and according to polls and analysts, Biden is ahead of Trump. So, is this sudden illness for President Donald Trump simply a coincidence? The next debate is currently planned for October the 15th. And my friends, don't forget that the closer the elections, the more volatility can be expected on the financial markets. So be alert and use it to your advantage. When President Donald Trump announced his diagnosis on Twitter, many financial assets fell under pressure. Brent, for example, dropped below $40 per barrel, and key US indices like the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 experienced downward momentum at Friday's open. And now for this week's agenda. Pay attention to the following news. US FOMC meeting minutes and statement is scheduled for release on Wednesday, October the 7th at 6 p.m. GMT. Assets with the US dollar and US indices will be in focus. Take note, if the Fed hints that they are not planning to continue buying bonds to increase the money supply, we may see downward momentum for the US dollar and US indices. European ECB monetary policy statement will be released on Thursday, October the 8th at 11:30 a.m. GMT. You'll want to pay attention to currency pairs with the euro and European indices. Late on Thursday at 11:50 p.m., we have the release of Japan's GDP. If you're up, you want to look at USD JPY. And take note that on the 15th and 16th of October, negotiations are going to continue between the EU and the UK regarding Brexit. The situation remains tense, which means additional risks for GBP USD and the FTSE. And finally, let's talk a little bit about technical analysis. Euro US dollar on the daily time frame. Support is located in the range of 1.16000 and 1.16300. Resistance is at 1.19200. Technical indicators are pointing slightly more towards the bullish side, but you want to be careful buying at this strong level of resistance. So enter with caution and be ready to reverse your position when and if needed. GBP USD. On the weekly time frame, we see that the pair is trading close to the 200 EMA, around the level of 1.30250, which means that it's quite possible that we'll see a reversal in the near term. Watch for resistance in the area of 1.30000 and 1.30250. Support is observed around 1.26500. Dear traders, I hope that this roadmap helps you in trading this week. Keep track of our upcoming video releases and live streams. Make sure that you are subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the bell so that you're always up to date. Remember, learn and earn with Olymp Trade. I'll see you guys next time.